Today we're going to order pizza from Domino's Japan and show you the different flavors that they have and show you the process that we do for our delivery.
Yeah!
When you go on the website, there's an option for an English translation, and then we want to do delivery. You can either search for your zip code or pinpoint delivery for your exact location. So it'll bring you to this map when you go to exact location. You can even pick your delivery date, so if you want it as soon as possible, or you can set it up for a future date and time. Now for the fun stuff, look at their special value sets, and this is just the beginning. They even have these ultra cheese. If you are into cheese, this is a section for you. And there are different prices for the different sizes. These are the New Yorkers, which are the bigger sizes. And then you have these things that they call happy ranges. So this is like a 4 happy range. And notice that they have even seafood special in red and white sauce and quattro cheese and roll. 3 happy range, Goryo Galbi, chef's vegetable special, mayo jaga, what else? Spicy. Then 1 happy range, they have the Americans. I think these are like the 1 topping ones. And you can even build your own pizza. So we're going to get the American pizza for Liam, and we're going to get a medium. Okay, and for us, we're going to try something we've never tried before. So we're going to go with the Goryo Galbi, and we're going to get the medium. We're going to select, and we're going to get the medium. Wow.
Oh, it shows what the toppings are too, for both pizzas. So the Goryo has cheese, green peppers, garlic, ribs.
And so you have an option here to create half and half. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, create half and half. So the first half will be the Goryo Galbi and the Californian chicken and bacon. And this is how it'll look like. It looks so good already. You can even add sides to your order. So if you want mozzarella sticks or cheese sticks, they have fries, or they're called potato wedges, and they have different kinds of chicken too. So today we're going to go with the Japanese fried chicken and get a medium size, which has 8 pieces. So we're going to add that. And then they have these combos and thick shakes. Ooh, and look at their desserts. So they have egg custard tarts, molten chocolate or fondant chocolate, ice cream. They even have soda and condiments. And they even have this thermos bag in case you want to keep your pizza warm and you're not planning on eating it just yet. But it costs $5 or 500 yen. Thought we were done, huh? Nope. So this is the menu if it's just for 1 person or if you want to add on. So they even have these sandwiches or like subs, and they all look so good. Okay, we're done. So we're gonna go ahead and go to payment, and for delivery method, so we can either pick to receive directly, 0 contact drop off, or drop and go. So that's really cool. But we're going to pick receive directly so we can give some tip, even if it's not customary to tip in Japan. And you can pick to pay through cash, credit card, or if you have these Rakuten credit card and cash. So we're gonna go with credit card, and that's our total. 4,951 yen for 2 medium pizzas and 1 side chicken. So one of the cool things about Domino's Japan is their live pizza tracker. So it shows you when your order is being made, when the toppings are being put, when they put it in the oven, and when it's out of the oven, and when it's out for delivery, and then pizza time. Another interesting thing about Domino's Pizza is once the pizza is in the box, they secure it with a safety seal to ensure that the customer is the first one to open the pizza box. Okay, now it shows that our pizza is in the oven. And now our live tracker says our pizza is out of the oven. When the pizza is out for delivery, there's a live GPS driver tracker, and it shows you where your delivery driver is located and the estimated delivery time. Okay, so our pizza is here, and let's go get it. As you can see, our box is very tiny, and the total for this was 4,951 yen. Before COVID, they would open up the boxes just to verify this is your order. But now, since the safety seal is there, they don't open it anymore, so it ensures that you are the first person to open your box. This is how our pizza looks. So this is the American pizza. This is the half and half, the Galbi Goryo and the Californian bacon chicken. And our side, which is the Japanese fried chicken. So we're gonna do a taste test.
Itadakimasu. Begin.
Food.
American style.
American style.
Yahoo! American pizza.
This is the Goryo Galbi. Look how tiny the slice is.
This is the American pizza with pepperoni on it. Mmm, really yum.
You like it?
Mmm. Wow. Babe, you gotta try the Galbi.
This is how pepperoni looks.
Worth the $50?
I love pepperoni.
I wanna try the fried chicken.
I love pepperoni.
Japanese style fried chicken. Try it. It's alright.
I'll try it.
I've had better.
I'm gonna try the Galbi. Goryo Galbi. Looks good.
It's good. I mean, not this. That.
I know. So that's how you order from Domino's Japan online, and we showed you the variety of flavors that they offer, and then we tried 2 new ones today, so the Galbi and this bacon chicken. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop it. And if you haven't watched our snack haul for 7-Eleven, go ahead and click on the link above or wait till our end screen. Thank you for watching. Bye!